Come. Watch closely, just blanch the sweet potato leaves in boiling water for a moment, and they'll be ready to eat. This food looks like pig feed, it's not even cooked yet. Look at America. How much does it cost per pound? After cooking, it's tender, crisp, and nutritious. It was stir-fried and tasted good. Both adults and children liked it. Blanch in boiling water for about a minute, then quickly rinse. Vegetables that have been cooled in cold water are less likely to discolor. Blanching vegetables in boiling water can remove pesticide residues and dust from their surface. It's safer to eat after rinsing and draining the water. Arrange them neatly and cut them into small pieces. Sweet potato omelet is rich in dietary fiber and vitamins. Chlorophyll and chlorophyll. Vegetables are also a seasonal vegetable in summer, so it's recommended that you eat more of them for your health. Locally, we call it red boiled and fried. What's it called over there? Feel free to type it in the comments and let's discuss. After cutting, put it in a large bowl. Put it in a spare bowl and then beat it. When cracking eggs, try to tap them on a flat surface of the cutting board. Don't eat from the edge of the bowl. It's easy to break the bowl. Eggshells can easily fall in and are unsanitary to eat. So, this egg should first be fresh, fragrant, smooth, and tender, then add a touch of jade. Rice starch or potato starch can be used. Bye. Some people have told me that the scrambled eggs taste fishy. You can add 2 portions of orange or white vinegar to remove the fishy smell. I've shared my methods and experiences with everyone, so please give me a little red heart and follow me. Try it. I wish your parents good health and your child success in their studies. Become. I also wish you success in your work. May wealth flow in from all directions. Thank you everyone for quickly beating the eggs and pouring them into the sweet potato leaves. Seasonings for stir frying. Add half salt and a pinch of pepper to enhance the flavor and cut through the richness. The key to its deliciousness is adding a small handful of blue whale marinated shrimp meat to enhance the umami flavor and increase nutritional value. After this, don't add chicken bouillon or MSG, because they can naturally enhance the flavor. These kinds of prawns can be eaten directly. Shrimp come from the deep Antarctic Sea and are known as aquatic calcium. The seafood in the reservoir is also uncontaminated. Its protein content is higher than that of chicken and beef. Lamb and even milk are higher. If you have elderly people or young children at home, I suggest you eat more of this. It's good for your health. Oh, and there's more. Many people still use this kind of dried shrimp when stir frying, seasoning, and making soup at home. The dried shrimp tastes salty and sour. Even after a while, it's still considered to be from the sea. It's definitely not as nutritious as the shrimp meat we ate. Our hotel chef uses this kind of beauty. Each shrimp is carefully selected and brought together to perfection. Net content. It's a 100 gram ingredient list. Very clean, no additives or preservatives only. Blue whale shrimp shelf life. Protein content of 67% after 12 months. Normally, a pack like this would cost 2 units of currency. It's only 10 yuan or so you can buy 5 packs. Do you need a gold price of around 100 yuans? The manufacturer will bring you 5 packs for only 3 yuan. 19 yuan and 80 cents. The bottom left of the video is for big. I'll post a link here. It's a great deal to buy now. Some friends said they've never tried it before and are worried about it. The quality is so good that today, Laoli got 2 extra packs for everyone to try. After getting home, I stir-fried a dish and made a soup. It tasted delicious, and I was satisfied. I kept all 7 packets. If it didn't taste good, it's okay if you're satisfied. I'll still treat everyone to these 2 packs. Return the remaining 5 packs to Laoli and then contact customer service. Request a refund and 7-day no-reason shipping. The line should be arranged at home, so, after receiving the 7 packages, it weighs a full 1.4 jin, approximately 0.6 kilogram. The cleaned meat is now in a relatively hot weather. We'll use styrofoam boxes and ice packs to deliver your order via cold chain shipping to your door. After receiving the goods, remember to put them in the refrigerator. It's frozen and used for stir frying. Add a small packet when making soup. The flavors were all very fresh. Add some garlic. Give quickly. Stir it to fully combine the egg, vegetable puree, and shrimp. Heat the pan with cold oil beforehand. Then gently swirl the fish and eggs in the oil to prevent them from sticking. Heat the eggs and add them. Use a spatula to stir it a couple more times to let it heat up. Uniform. Then flatten it out and make it as thin as possible. Click here, like receiving heat. When frying, be sure to use low heat and fry slowly to avoid burning it. If you turn up the heat, fry one side until fragrant, then flip. Friends who like to use pots can learn from my brother and flip them over like this. Fry that side in the pan until it's cooked through and fragrant. Familiar? It's ready to serve when it smells fragrant. Wow, look at the prawn and vegetable chicken the restaurant makes. The egg pancakes are both beautiful and delicious, with the smoothness of eggs and the freshness of shrimp. One bite and wow, it's incredibly fresh and delicious, even better than stir-fried. Thankfully, we ate at home. If you like sweet potato leaves, you must try this recipe. I guarantee your whole family will love it. Young and old alike praise you, chef.